Arito kido ko timbe oganda e pachoka traenye ji oganda kik wit dhoge. Holo senyasi mar piem mar jopuonjre e wende kod kit oganda e boma Eldoret Uasin Gishu. Kindiki wacho ni Kenya nitiere kod kido gi timbe manyalo konyo ji wachiel mar oganda. Opeo bende katiba mar Kenya mowacho ni oketo ler e wi kido kod timbe oganda kendo ochiwo ratiro ne oganda mondo omi olugi.
The Constitution demands all of us be protected in our diversity, in our different languages, and in our different cultures. It's even biblical. In the book of Genesis, and the Bible says, and God ordered, and God established all these nations of the earth in their languages, in their families, and in their nations. And as I sat here listening to beautiful renditions and music and poems sung in our different languages, I was asking myself, why are we so thankless? Sometimes we don't appreciate we have a beautiful, beautiful country in our diversity. Mimi nataka niwashukuru wote ambao wamehusika katika kutukumbusha tamaduni zetu, na niwahakikishie azimio la serikali ya Kenya kulinda jamii zote, watu wote wa taifa la Kenya, makabila mbalimbali, lugha mbalimbali, watoto, akina mama na wazee.